Hey guys, so today is my prom. It's April 13th and my prom starts at like 7:30. It takes me a good 1 hour to do my makeup, so I'm not like rushing or anything. So yeah, and if you guys watched my video for a while, you guys know I just wing my eyeshadow look. So we're gonna hope for the best. I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye, and then I'll show you guys how to do this eye. So yeah, so this is currently how my eye looks. Very messy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna roll with it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do on this eye. So my eye is somewhat done now. I think I got my eye done, and now we're gonna move on to my face, and then we're gonna go right back to my eyes and we're gonna fix it up. So yeah, of course, first gotta moisturize your face.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like the boss, talk like the boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure wrong. She's fly effortlessly. She move like the boss, do what the boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time?
Okay, so now my face is somewhat done. We're gonna go and add some eyeshadow on the lower lash line. So my makeup is done. I hope you guys like it. Kind of did like a half cut crease. I don't know if you guys see it, but I'll show you guys later. I did like a half cut crease bronze. Pretty glam, you know, for prom. And now my sister's gonna do my hair. I'm gonna just curl it, like just do some clip, I think. I don't know. I just like my hair being curled. So I'll be using the Irresistible Me hair extension to add some volume to my hair. If you guys know me, I have no volume at all. I'll have more detail down in the description box if you guys are interested. Once again, I also have a promo code, so you know you can save some coins. But I just want to let you guys know that I got the Royal Chocolate Brown and it totally matched my hair color. It was 24" and it was like about 200 grams for the weight. As you guys can see, my sister is curling my hair. I wanted my hair to be like loose curls, so like she did really tight curls and then by the night it'll be loose curls. And I also curled my extension. It's just I forgot to record that part. It was really easy for me to curl the hair extension and the curls actually stay. I tried some hair extension before and it doesn't stay at all and sometimes they burn. So that's one thing I really like about Irresistible Me hair extension. So here is the signature piece with 4 clips on it, which you guys can buy separate. As you guys can see, I already curled it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It gives tons of volume. Honestly, I could be good to go just with this one piece, but you know, I want like extra volume, so I clip every other hair extension on. But yeah, if you guys are interested, once again, more information will be down in the description box and on their website, so make sure you guys check that out. Forgot to vlog my makeup earlier, but this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Once again, I winged it. Also, this is my corsage. It's okay this year. I don't really like it, but my nails, I really like it this year. It's really nice. I posted a picture of it on Instagram. And now we're gonna go take some pictures and videos, so that's gonna be in the next footage. So we just got to prom. I'm here with Bree. You guys can probably see her in my video, but I'm gonna try to vlog. And also like Taylor. This is also my friend.
Yes, looking like
look at our outfit. You gotta show our outfit. You gotta show the fit. All right. I think we're gonna head up in a bit, but we're at prom right now. So. Right now, we're all at prom. Everyone is here. Now we're gonna head up to our room, and I'll show you guys like how it's gonna look like in a bit. So.
Oh, pictures! Hold up.
Gotta save it. Gotta save it.
Hold on, I'm gonna hike up my head.
Hi guys, we're at prom eating because we'll wait for the setup to continue soon.
This is my first plate.
Hey y'all, I'm getting my chicken tenders. I've been hungry all day. Okay. Bro, I think you have a mirror? A mirror? No, I don't. Dang it. Tonight. I need to reapply. Did you finish my whole plate? Oh, these pineapples are so This is how we do it. I need a mirror. Looks so nice. Thank you. I'm dead. Yeah, kiss me. Girl.
Okay, so I have no idea what time is it, but it's 9:14. We're currently outside, you know, in the ghettos.
Our feet hurt.
Very
bad. My feet hurt so bad.
Passed out. Look at this. They all look gorgeous.
You look gorgeous, Kelly.
I look like an egg.
These girls already got their shoes out, bro.
No, we tired. I was literally tired.
You took out your shoes?
No shoe game.
Oh man, I still got my picture.
Nah, girl, my feet. Look at these heels. You think behind things. Ma'am. Right? I'm tired.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna show you guys
on your side.
This is our view.
Can y'all do a video of me just walking? I'm tired, you're tired, we're all tired, okay?
Grace. Hey guys. We're all tired. Prom's not over yet. I don't think so. I still have to go get my stuff. We're currently in the lobby just chilling, I guess.
She looks gorgeous, y'all.
Thank you.
7. Y'all want to see it? Y'all, you look blurry. Wait. Kelly's vlog. Good vlog.
Wait, try to put it down and see, like on the lower one. Can I see like our whole dress?
Hey guys, pose real quick. Yeah, okay. Oh, thank you. It's almost president.
That way, you can see that.
I wasn't lying, I gave in to the fire. I know I should have fought it, at least I'm being honest. Feel like a failure, 'cause I know that I failed you. I should have done you better, 'cause you don't wanna lie. And I know she gives you everything, but I couldn't give it to you. I know that you got everything, but I got nothing here without you.